As I told you in my previous lessons, the locate path is used to, if you forgot your file name, you can search for that. But mostly locate space rock you, remember guys, that will be useful for you to, for like hashcat in the later lessons for the brute forcing dictionaries guys. the the let's say now we'll talk about very interesting guys, that is always a hacker, if he gets the shell access on the server, he will use it guys. That is history command. For example, I entered dir command guys, and then some other command, like what is the other command, I forgot, like find str something. Okay, if I want to know the history of commands which I executed before, I have to simply press the upward arrow key guys on my machine. It is showing up. But if I close the window and open again one more time, it not show any other commands executed previously, right? But in Linux, the terminal records all the commands like which I executed before guys. So if I close that command and if I open, sorry, command prompt or else terminal, excuse me guys, whenever I say as command prompt, consider it as a terminal itself. Okay, yeah. So now as you can see, just I have to enter history guys. The all the commands which are executed previously, it is showing the huge list guys, 964 commands. So if a hacker gets the shell access on the server, he will execute history command to know all the commands executed, all the scripts are executed from the command prompt. And there are sometimes the user will connect to the server by providing the passwords in the command prompt on the shell itself guys. So if you closely look at the commands, you can also see the password created, like can you see guys, for example, user created with the password as password, username as username. I executed wantedly to show you people guys. So like there are some recent scripts you can also, when a hacker gets the shell access, he will execute the history command to know the recent activity used by the administrator or the user on that particular machine. All the shell commands executed can be seen here, so that hacker can go into those particular folders and those particular files to see the sensitive information guys. So this is one of the very important tip guys, very important actually, the history command.